Now here's next weather meteorologist Lissette Gonzalez with more on Idalia's path.
Yeah, we did talk about how storm surge was really going to be one of the main concerns and impacts from Idalia, and you can see from those videos. And as we take a look at the latest update from the National Hurricane Center, as we get these hourly updates as of 9 a.m., max sustained winds of 110 miles per hour. So Idalia is now a Category 2. It did make a landfall as Category 3 here near Keaton Beach along the Big Bend around 7:45 a.m. It is moving to the northeast, and it will continue along that path across the Panhandle. Will be a Cat 2 as we head into this evening across Georgia, and eventually head here across the Carolina coast as a tropical storm, bringing heavy rain, the potential for flooding, and of course tropical storm conditions. As you can see a close-up view here, it is moving to the northeast at 18 miles an hour. We do have hurricane warnings still in effect, storm surge warnings as well for much of the west coast and also the Big Bend and parts of the Panhandle into Georgia and the southeastern corner here of the Carolinas. As we take a look at the storm surge potential, life-threatening catastrophic storm surge of 12 to up to 16 feet above ground level. This is one of the main reasons that they're calling this an unprecedented event, as we haven't really had a major hurricane make landfall here near Appalachia Bay since records have been kept since 1851. So this is certainly one for the record books, and unfortunately for folks here across North Florida, much of Central Florida, dealing with a massive and dangerous hurricane. And as we take a look at the latest radar and the wind gusts, as high as 59-mile-per-hour gusts in Perry, as high as 46-mile-per-hour gusts in Tallahassee, 49-mile-per-hour gusts in Gainesville. So this is really impacting a large swath of our state, especially folks here across the Panhandle, the Big Bend, and even through portions of Tampa Bay and Central Florida. But here in South Florida, we have a windy Wednesday ahead, and for more on our local forecast, we have meteorologist Casey Sherman. Good morning, Casey.
Yeah, good morning. A windy day today, and yes, we will continue to see a couple bands of rain still pass through the area at times. Notice at the moment, we're still fairly quiet across the metro. We've had a couple showers pass through Key West. Right now, though, the metro area of Broward County, Miami-Dade County, currently quiet with just a few passing clouds. We've seen the breeze pick up a little bit more just over the past couple of hours. Some gusts of up to about 25 miles per hour, Fort Lauderdale, Miami, down through Homestead. The highest end wind gusts still down to the Keys. Key West last reporting a wind gust of 35 miles per hour, where wind advisories continue through Key West, and they'll be kicking in here within about the next hour for Miami-Dade and Broward County. So a windy day today with some additional outer bands pushing through. They'll be packing a punch in terms of some heavy downpours and also some gusty winds, just as we saw yesterday. Overnight, a few more gusty showers. Tomorrow, we still have enough trailing moisture from Idalia to still maintain those higher chances for showers and storms. So tomorrow's still going to be featuring some wet periods as we have additional scattered storms set to move through, but those winds at least will be lighter. Not the best day for boaters. Small craft advisories, of course, continue. Those winds up to 25 knots for the Atlantic waters, 4 to 6 foot seas down to the Keys. Small craft advisories also continue with very rough conditions as far as those water conditions go near shore. Now, as we head into the remainder of this work week and to kick off the brand new month of September, we're actually talking about near record heat. Thursday, a high of 94 should be a degree shy of that record of 95. Friday, that high of 95 should be a degree shy of that record of 96 degrees. And for the upcoming holiday weekend, not looking bad. Those rain chances will actually start to taper off, and it looks like we could have some drier air movement on the back side of Idalia that may actually allow for a drop in humidity. So we'll have to fine tune that, but it should be feeling pretty good Sunday and for your Labor Day, allowing for some slightly cooler nights back down in the upper 70s.